We're going to be opening an advent calendar from Give Me Cosmetics together. Obviously I'm really cropped in right now, but I will be switching to my other lens in a second. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. This is such a genius idea they came up with. It's got like a little positivity notes that you can open every single day, and I think that's pretty amazing. As we all know, I don't have the patience to be opening an advent calendar every single day because my life is not straightforward. Maybe I could get sick the next day, God forbid. God forbid. It's either I open it all today and I give you in chunks, or you guys just sit here and watch me open this. Some of this stuff in here are gonna be things that I'm gonna be adding to my giveaway, which is gonna be on Instagram. So if you've not followed, you better get on right now and follow. So yeah, I already opened one on TikTok at Give Me Cosmetics. We want to help you to look more than just amazing. We want to help you feel amazing too. So let's open her together. It's really big. You could get it for somebody or you could get it for yourself. So this is the one I opened already. 10 and filled. So number 10. What it says, that is so cool, don't you guys think? It says count your blessing, literally make a list and feel the mood boost. I'm gonna do that today. A really nice brush from Give Me Cosmetics. I actually have another brush from them and I love it. Oh, we got a toner. So it says nothing is impossible. The word itself says impossible. Nothing is impossible. And we have a face serum, which is like this. It's hyaluronic, retinol and everything, and I actually used to use some of this. If you've seen some of my videos, I did do a full review using Give Me Cosmetics skincare. Next, let's go on this side. Actually, I want to try 9. Let's open number 9. Oh, oh, it says what's the best thing that could happen. So just thinking about that, like instead of thinking what's the worst that could happen, you think about the best thing that could happen. Oh, okay, so you got this little crib. Number 6. This. Oh, scrunchies. There's anything that could go wrong could also go right. I really love this because it just gets your mind out of that negative thinking gutter. Really nice. When we edit this to the giveaway, so please also just stay tuned for that. 3. It says look on the bright side, make today amazing. That, and we have 2 headbands to, like, you know, when you're doing your skincare. This is pretty good. Part number 2. These are really funny to open. Okay, so this says pamper yourself, you gotta nourish to flourish. A lemonade lip repair antioxidant. Okay, I think this side's almost done, so let's open this side. Number 4, which says, oh, give it your all and make it happen. You gotta give it all. Anything that you do, you got to give it your all. There's no point of doing things halfway. And so we have a hair mask. A hair mask. This is different. I've got the green one, and this one is different. It's a mango passion fruit, and all of their products is full size, so it's not cut into little bits. That's one thing I like about this. It's full size products. Next, we got number 7. So we'll be done with this side, which is this side. So it says find out who you are and do it on purpose. Dolly Parton. Okay, vitamin C serum with vitamin C salicylic acid 9. So it's a skincare. I love how all their products, right, colorful. Like you got purples, you got greens, you got blue. They're all just happy colors. So we're finished with one side. We're left with 1, 2, and 3. 8. This is tiny. Where is it? Oh, take something to do off your today list. But I can't find it. Where is it? Did you perhaps like... Am I tripping? Let's try number 1. We've got one more left anyway. It says change perspective. Look up the burnt toast theory. I'm gonna look that up because I don't know what that is. What is the burnt toast theory? And we have a lip scrub. I love this. Love it. I never use one. I think that little one was supposed to be here, so it probably slid down. So we got this. I don't know which one it is. It's a hyaluronic cleanser. And you guys know how good hyaluronic acid is good for your skin. Great stuff. Then the last one, 1111, make a wish. I believe, I'm not really into numerology, but I believe God also works in numbers. So I like to take it in the perspective of God also works with numbers. And we've got the heat defense spray. I've got one, but it's green. So I wonder what was this one? What's different? Skincare and this. No makeup, just hair and skincare. And that's it. For a big box, I love it. Obviously, if you're not like me, you can wait every day and open it. But I'm not patient and I want to give this away to you guys. Unfortunately, you will not be receiving it like this. So I'm going to be adding some of this stuff to the giveaway. The giveaway boxes, I might do 2 because it is loads. So honestly, I'm so excited for this Christmas to give away some of these goodies. So please make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will be posting very soon on the giveaway details and everything. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.